The following content is provided under WISA Mechanism Group.
Hi everyone, today I'll be explaining how to simplify a fraction, which is one of the most important things that you'll be studying in algebra. So, in simplifying fractions, the first thing you want to do is you want to simplify the upper part of the problem, and then after simplifying the upper part of the problem, you go ahead and multiply it by the 1 over the denominator. So the first thing we are going to do in this problem is we are going to simplify this part. This is what we are going to do. This is our goal. So this is equal to what? L minus K. And by the way, this is 4. And this is 4. I know my handwriting is kind of weird. So how to simplify this? I'm sure everyone knows. We have one denominator in here, which is going to be L plus 4 multiplied by K plus 4. And don't multiply this, just keep it the same for the moment, because sometimes the problem gets much easier if you don't multiply, and you will be canceling terms. If you see that the problem is getting more complex, then go ahead and multiply. But when you solve any problem like this, keep your denominator the same in here. Don't multiply them. This is some hints from me. And here we will have 5 multiplied by K plus 4 plus 5 multiplied by L plus 4. And right now, what we are going to do is we are going to say we take this part, L plus 4 multiplied by K plus 4. In here we have 5 K plus 4 plus 5 K plus 4 multiplied by 1 L minus K. Okay, this is this is what we have right now at the moment. And now we go ahead and say that our final answer for this is going to be 5. We can take 5 as a common factor in here, and we can say K plus 4 plus K, I'm sorry, in here L plus L plus 4 divided by this and this, which is L plus 4 K plus 4 L minus K, which is equal to 5 K plus L plus 8 over this, which is L plus 4 multiplied by K plus 4 multiplied by L minus K. This is how to solve for this problem. This is your final answer. If the professor or the question asked you to multiply everything out, then go ahead and multiply everything out. I just want to show you a trick that will make the answer that we just came up with totally different if we change one thing only. The reason is the reason that I would like to show you this trick is I want to make sure that you focus when you solve a problem. You have to make sure that you don't make mistakes. And the trick is this. I'm gonna make it negative. we will have a totally different answer. If we have negative in here, we will come up with the same denominator in here, but the thing is that this is going to be negative 5. This is going to be negative 5. What is this going to change? We put negative 5 in here again. Okay? Everything will be the same for the moment. In here, we will have negative L. In here, we will have negative 4. Right? Because in here we have 5 as a common factor, k plus 4, negative L, negative 4. Which means that this 4 will be cancelled with this 4, which means we will have 5k negative L. 5k negative L. Okay? Which means that, excuse me, I'm not gonna delete everything with my hand. Which means that we will have the following. You see in here we have k minus L. We have in here L minus k. How this is going to be different? We can put negative sign in here, or we make this k negative, we make this L positive. L is positive, k is negative. That means this will be cancelled with this. And our final answer is negative 5. L plus 4. K plus 4. You see this trick? You just want to make sure that you keep attention to your signs. If this is negative, the answer will be different. Your answer will be wrong. If you solve this problem as positive, which means you might get half of the credit if your professor is nice, or maybe 0.